Hello, it's Mojo Muddy Wolf from the South Wales Kayak Association, and I got asked if I could show somebody how I fitted a sail to a Thresher. So there it is. It's the top half of a windsurfer sail. It employs a bit of mast, the top half of the mast, and I'll just show you how I sort of did the fixings. Maybe start with a mast base. Now, if you look closer, you'll see that the good old bit of IKEA chopping board got used here. This strap here just goes underneath the hatch, and that strap goes underneath the hatch as well. That's solid as a rock. That ain't moving anywhere. And indeed, when the sail, because the sail will slide, this is a mast base, so this mast will slide on and off. So basically, if I go out and I want to pack the sail away, I can just slide the mast and the sail. I can take it off here like you do with a windsurfer, and then it will stow away. The sail will stow away inside the hull, and the mast I just slide under the bungees at the back, so it's out of my way when I'm fishing. Then obviously there's just a bit of downhaul required there. There's just elastic band doing that. How is it all fastened at the top? So what you've got with this sail, I don't know if you can see that, you've got a little plastic insert that goes into the top of the mast. So I cut a little U-shaped slot out to the top of the mast, and so this is just a loop, and that loop goes around this insert and then it comes out. So I've now got two bits of rope at the side to keep the mast upright, and the one that comes down the front is connected to a pulley here. So this rope at the front here goes through this cleat, and that basically goes around that pulley, and that keeps the sail upright. This rope here is basically just through the sail, of course this batten is acting as a boom, and that works pretty well actually. It develops quite a nice shape when it gets a bit of wind in it, that I can adjust just with this little rope here. That's simple as that. A couple of other things. I've fitted this kind of what's inside here is, I don't know if I can slide that back. This is a little pulley underneath this bit of cycle inner tube, and that pulley comes through to, if I just pull it that way, it should help. That pulley comes through to a bit of stainless steel, and the stainless steel goes through this little, the stainless steel goes through this little plastic moulding I've put on here, and then it goes through the hole to the rudder at the back. Rudder's mounted in the usual fixing. That rudder goes up and down. It's an old windsurf rudder, and it works really well, does that. So I have a little foot control over the steering. What I'm going to do this summer is I'm actually going to create some kind of dagger board thing. I first off thought I'd use the same central slot here that the little pod goes in, but I actually want to keep my fish finder on because I quite like being able to see where I am and how fast I'm going. So using these scupper holes here and here, and making a very strong piece of wood that fits in the channel under the boat, I'll actually be able to fix some a sort of dagger board, probably only about 5-6 inches deep, but just enough to help it point into wind a little bit, and that'll be it. So hope that's of interest. I'm sorry, it's all a bit muddy, isn't it? A bit messy and a bit muddy, you can't see, but it's pretty upright in relation to the boat is the mast, and it's easy to adjust with the side ropes, also how far it comes forward and everything. So anyway, thanks for listening. Hope that helped. Cheers, bye bye.